Just tip. That this man look like he's backing it. Yeah, that's real.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
You probably meant it right. Sugar. Well, it makes sense because it's a sugar distillery.
Any rum come from that down?
Yes. So we're in Hampden Estate, Hampden Sugar Distillery. They produce Hampden Estate rum here.
Yeah.
And you can see the fields of sugarcane.
Straight sugarcane.
Straight sugarcane on both sides of the road. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer.
Give thanks to life, manners and prayers, done.
So guys, you may have heard just now that we are in Hampden Estate, in Trelawny, Falmouth or just outside Falmouth, Wakefield, Trelawny. So yeah guys, I just heard about this place like a few days ago. Hampden Sugar Distillery, they do rum tours. So if you can't see Outlaw, the sun is coming in. They do rum tours here, so we're going to go on a rum tour today. I'm so excited. Most people know about Hampden Estate rum tour. Is that St. Elizabeth?
Yes.
Yeah. But I found out about this one and I'm like, yeah, I definitely want to do this one. So yes, we are doing the rum tour today. I can't wait to taste some rum, even though I don't drink, I'm a lightweight, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we're not too long Bushmouth today.
But we're in Trelawny. So Hampden Sugar Distillery, which is a operational distillery, and they produce Hampden Estate rum. So yeah, let's see what it's about, guys. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Check out that taste there. That's what I want for the taste.
The taste, yeah. If it's good, we might buy a bottle of rum to bring back with us. Yeah.
So what I want. They might have a different taste, you know. Nice taste to her. Might have a good blend.
Yeah. Check it out, guys. Check it out. So here there's a sign there. So it says Hampden Estate Tours, rum tour. The sign there. Yeah, and I'm pointing. The see that I'm pointing.
No problem.
And this is really pretty. It's all these palm trees. So we'll drive down. So there's that over there. I'm not sure if that's, I don't even know if that's the Great House or not, but I guess we'll find out over there. But it is very nice.
Where's my bottle?
98.5.
You're more than me.
But yeah, but that's just off the camera, man.
Yeah?
Try to find the place.
That's just off the camera, so I'll push up with a bill up.
Feel like you. Pretty. This is nice.
You like it?
I don't know, babe. I don't know. I have to put on a hard hat.
Yeah, that's when we're going into the factory.
Okay. Yeah,
So
sure.
normally get this party started with some rum punch.
Okay, good. I'm good for that.
Early punch now, man.
I know, what time is it? It's about nearly 11 o'clock.
Early punch, peeps.
Yeah, I would like to say it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Right? Yes.
That's three.
It's 5 o'clock in England, actually.
Right now.
You're right now.
You must see.
It is
Everything
actually
covered.
5 o'clock.
You know your thing, man. You're right. Trelawny, rum punch. Something there, what's about it?
Yeah, but they can't take the camera.
It's good.
Trelawny, rum punch.
Yeah. Not too strong, just right for me.
Wrong.
Yeah.
For like to knock you the one creeper, you know.
No.
We didn't get water.
I got something for her though.
Yeah? What is man?
Sugar cane juice.
Oh, okay. Give that people sugarcane juice. Yes.
Yeah.
So I want you to try it. And then I'm going to pack it.
Let me try. People, sugarcane juice. I don't think I've never had this.
The right place to get
Sugarcane
it.
juice, come. Sugarcane juice.
The right place to get it. Good like that, man.
This is good. I've never had it, but it's good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make it better. Lime juice.
Lime juice.
Oh, yes, sir. I like him doing thing, you know. Give me.
Yeah.
Nice, blend.
Refreshing. This is the one.
You have something about him, maybe. Yes, I really have something about him.
This
Yes.
is the one. Taste it. Taste it.
Good.
So guys, the property is 269 years old.
269 years old.
This building is 269 years old.
Right, okay.
This used to be the carriage room.
Okay.
Check out the thickness of our
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, true. See that way.
and that's the autograph show. You see him both himself.
Oh yeah, okay, nice. Oh yeah.
Nice, man. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.
You can come buy a souvenir rum and all these things.
So you heard about Edward?
Yes,
How
I
did you
did.
hear about Edward? Online. But
Watch it
for
now.
political reasons, you know, we give him a new name, Johnny Blackbud.
Johnny Blackbird.
Yeah, man, I never rum name fast.
You know, good old Janka rum, man. Well, Johnny Blackbird, that. What we know about Janka rum?
Yes.
Brother Van it felt, man. What do you feel like? Yeah, man, happy, man. See the people change their name. Then Johnny Blackbird now. Good old Janka. See my rum there?
1494, Christopher Columbus. The local inhabitants at that time was an Amerindian tribe called the Tainos. They actually met him with baskets of cut pineapples at the shore. So pineapples became our symbol of hospitality.
Oh, that's something that's what we see on the money and some more things.
That's why it's on our coat of arms.
Yeah.
Got it? So, Columbus left and returned. On the second trip, he wasn't so nice. Sought to enslave the population, plus they had brought European diseases. And it was a disease-free population.
Oh, yes, sir.
So needless to say, the population rapidly dwindled from over 150,000 to less than 1,000 by the time the Spanish were coming.
Wow.
Spanish also brought the first sets of African slaves here to the island.
You Spanish them?
Yes.
Okay.
How them do that?
Those slaves today are known as the Maroons. So about 165 years of Spanish rule, the British got jealous and they came knocking. 1655, Britain came, but they actually came to attack the Spanish's money. They wanted Hispaniola, aka Haiti.
So them tell the Spanish them control Jamaica?
They controlled the entire Caribbean, the New Americas. They were planting tobacco in all the Americas. And so Blankfeet was a king. Whistle.
And these are over 200 years old.
Almost 300 years.
Almost 300 years old.
So all these names that we seen here, it's for some historical reason.
Had meaning to someone, so at some point in time.
Yeah.
So Glenburg is the region where it was from, in Scotland.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Stuff like that.
Okay.
There's a couple of manufacturers named Empire was a manufacturer. In the searches, common knowledge. The case that allowed them to outlaw slavery was based on the fact that there was a shipping vessel that was supposed to dock in Falmouth. It was coming from Africa.
Right.
They were contracted to bring across about 150 slaves to the island. They rammed their boat with about 280. It was
Okay.
overladen,
Lovely pack.
heavily packed. Of course, the conditions were not good.
Of course,
now,
of course.
right? People were stuck on top of people. So, coming across the ocean, they met up on rough seas.
People are dead now.
They were afraid that they would lose everything. So, they started to dump some of their cargo. So they actually threw people off into the water.
Yeah.
When they got to Falmouth, they sold, because they were contracted like 150. They sold like 180 odd, so they had thrown off quite a few.
Yeah.
But they were still over what they were contracted for. They decided that they would file an insurance claim
Right.
to
Yeah.
recover the lost goods.
Right.
That court case went on for about 9 years
Right.
in England. The insurance company won, then the claimants won, then back and forth. The court finally ruled that people cannot be cargo.
Imagine, you know, people cannot be cargo.
which was the basis on which they abolished the
Right.
slave.
Okay. Yes, guys, we're up and ready. We're going to go and do a tour of the factories and how, you know, rum is made. And we had a good history lesson. Really good. Yeah. Definitely recommend it.
about it, man.
So we can show you most parts, but not everything, of course. So yeah, ready? Ready up.
I go in a bush mode.
But it's not. It's actually this one.
Okay.
Bring it a little closer.
Oh. This?
You know what it is?
What's this, babe?
Shima Maka.
Ah.
First time seeing that one?
Is it my first time? Is it my first time seeing
No,
something?
backyard, you know.
Okay. Anytime I hear about Maca, I get scared because, yeah.
Yeah, it's prickly.
Yeah.
So, that's the Mimosa Fiola. So if you just remember the mimosa, like the drink,
Mimosa,
the
yeah.
rum tour,
Yeah.
that's why it's my favorite plant.
Oh.
It's a mimosa, but it's actually very good for men over 40. Dig it up, boil it as a tonic.
Okay.
Actually good for kids under 6 months old.
I'm going to get you some of that.
Right.
Men over 40, it's good for.
So that retired pot still is Carolina.
Okay. Carolina.
And she ran for over 150 years before she was decommissioned in 2012.
Okay.
Oh, Carolina.
Scale down for maintenance, but every day is a work day.
Right.
Yeah.
Take a picture, take a picture, take a picture.
Yeah.
Welcome to the rum tour. That said, Living Museum, 269 euros plus to check out that pot.
Wow. Like that.
Ah. Young people, rum a cook.
They love it, it's never coming out. That one makes the highest ester rums.
Okay.
That one.
Smell that smell, boy. Woo.
GAB, me smell it.
Smell change again.
What?
Yeah.
As I said, every 10 to 15 feet, it will change. Check it out, that's London.
Okay, they do that.
That's it. Done that.
Stop.
What smell? One different smell of smell.
I know. Do you think you can hold it?
Without the hat, probably.
Yeah, we got the hat.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to take this picture. Stand up and watch your head.
Okay, man, it's there. Yo, walk, come on, walk to me now. Wow.
Are you smelling?
Yes.
Smell change again, didn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yes, sir. You're
That smells
smelling
different
rum.
again, sir.
Welcome to the distillation yard.
Distillation here.
Alright, so I said, we're doing part. See the guy walking in, CEO, Andre Pussy, owner. He's on over $7,000 per unit. This well that we are starting on top of. Okay, man. With 125
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. I'm for real, bro. Nice meeting you, sir. Respect our man. Give thanks a lot. Blessings.
Yeah.
That's the one that you cannot take a picture of the inside.
Yes.
Alright? But we will be going in there.
Okay.
150,000 liters.
Right here?
Yes.
Right now?
Sugar cane juice.
Strength of the alcohol, also the temperature of the alcohol. Now check it out.
That amount, that alcohol?
Alcohol, yeah.
If you double this, you're looking at 171 proof.
I'm gonna take a seat at the bar.
Yeah, me, yes, right there.
Oh, did I come in with the hat?
Yeah, man, no, put it up just side. Yeah. People, I don't know when these are done. I know when these. But that's what you sit down in front of.
At the bar.
Rum fire. Watch it. I keep it on low, Mr. Do that. Fire. Rum fire, just sit down right in front of that, my peeps. Watch it. Alright, these are that's why you're up to this, man. I like it. Nothing wrong with that. Everything about this thing, I like it, people. It is original, right down to the root of everything. I'm not got the rest of them meeting about this. Yeah, man, it's like cover me thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love that something, yeah.
Back in the day when Al Capone's and his friends were testing for proof, they would simple pour some out. Then light it on.
Okay. There's the proof right there.
Right there. Good old rum that, you know.
The longer it burns, stronger it is. The bluer it burns, the purer it
The
is.
flame, yeah.
Right.
Did you see what it just lit up? It was all blue.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's burning off? These flames or the impurities?
Right.
And once it's done, let's see how long it takes.
You have to chase that.
We're going to be doing a rum tasting, don't worry.
Oh, so God.
You're the driver, I won't knock you out today.
What's it? Dry?
I said, you're the driver, I won't knock you out today.
No knockings. No knockings at all,
I'll be the
brother.
one knocked out.
Yeah.
She can have all the knocking out. Check it out, I want you to warm it up,
Okay.
swirl it just like you've been doing the wine tasting.
Come. Oh, like in yeah.
You think, huh?
Oh Lord, people.
Watch the legs coming down the side of the glass. It's rum, shouldn't even have legs. So what we get, most people dream they put their rums into barrels to get what we get naturally fresh off the pot still.
Okay.
Your typical bottle of overproof rum has 40 to 50 esters in it. This bottle has 470. It's almost 10 times the flavor of anything else on the market. So we like to say we make the most flavorful overproof in the entire world.
Okay.
Bar none.
Take a dash.
Okay. Here goes, people.
Alright,
I'm kind of
so
scared.
don't take a big sip. What
No.
you're gonna do is you're gonna be touching it on the tip of your tongue.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
to watch the esters react in
Right.
your mouth.
Okay.
Same goes for you, Mr.
Okay.
Driver. So don't take a big gulp. Ooh.
Just the tip of your tongue, babe.
Just
Don't
the
go,
tip.
don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Just the tip. This man look like he's backing it. Yeah. Yeah, that's real.
Bit of grapefruit juice.
Grapefruit juice.
Huh?
Where are
Is that what I think it is?
you?
Yes. Angostura bitters.
Oh, Angostura bitters. Yeah. Okay.
Now I want you to try that.
Okay. Alright, people. Ready. That's good.
Yeah?
That's good.
Good already?
Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, I'm good with that. Still strong for me because I'm not a drinker, but yeah.
So that money I go hard, you know?
Yeah.
So one different thing I want to say, man. Everybody are running like everybody are running like man them something. So I go for grapefruit. So you know what I mean? You like the difference, sir? Yeah, I never really see it mixed with grapefruit, brother. But me say everybody got lime and lemon.
Yeah.
$20 for half a pound.
Good.
Best prices anywhere.
Okay.
Hip flask. You want to take some more Hampden rum with you everywhere you go?
Yeah. So that you have them things are small. Just put it in your pocket and move, you know. Yeah, now work with that one. Yeah.
So yes, people, we've just finished at the Hampden Estate. It was excellent.
Beautiful.
It was really good, really worth it. Really worth it. We paid, like I said, we paid $3,000 for the experience. It's about 2 hours.
Yeah.
$4,000 if there's a group of you. You can get lunch as well, which is a good deal. Really good. Like the rum was good. The tour guide, Steve, was his name Steve?
Yeah.
Was excellent. Really good. It was just us two, so we kind of had a private tour. Yeah. Good. I definitely recommend it. And what's good about it is that it's not like nothing's on show just because it's a tourist attraction or because people can come and tour. As you see it is as it is. So it's a working distillery, and they show you it as it's happening.
No additive,
so there's
no
no
preservative.
There's no fancy or anything like that, like maybe some of the other places that are similar. Just as it is. It's a working. Yeah, they're still working off the traditional methods. Yeah. So when you go in and you tour, you see just as you know, exactly as how it goes. So that was really good because it was authentic.
Really good people.
Really good, really authentic. It was really good. I would definitely recommend to come down to the Hampden Estate.
That's
and like I said, it was only a few days ago I learned about this place. So I'm really glad that we just kind of just took the plunge and came.
Good one. Really good.
Yeah, good. Really good. Guys, you know, places that anywhere that we take you or anywhere that we can recommend is places that we always want to know that we've tried out for ourselves as well.
True.
So yeah, our recommendations will be based off, not only based off, but will be based off places that we have been ourselves. We've got to check it out first, right?
If you're not sure about it, we're not go over there.
Yeah, so then we can recommend it to you, we can show it to you guys, put it on the channel, show you. And if you want to come or if you want us to take you there, no problem, we can take you there. But Hampden Estate, yeah, 10 out of 10. It was good. It was real good.
Really good people.
And do you know what? I had a real history lesson today, I'm telling you. Things I thought I knew, I didn't know. Because at the beginning, as you would have seen, he sat us down for a good amount of time just telling us the history of Jamaica. And a lot of different things. So,
class before you taste.
Yeah, class before you taste. But it was very informative, and yeah, it was good to know a bit about the history.
Yeah, funny,
you know, even things like Jamaica was very instrumental in the Slavery Abolishment Act. We just left, what's the place called? Hampden Estate, rum tour. And guys, I have to be honest, I know I didn't have a lot of rum. You know, you saw me sipping, because you know, you don't get a big, you know, you get a little glass full. And honestly, look where we've had to come and stop. I've had to come to KFC. I've had to come and get something to eat because my head is knocking. Both sides of my head is knocking. Yeah, I'm really, let me turn the camera, people, let me turn the camera. Guys, I've got on my glasses. Right here and here, my head is knocking. The little rum that I had, yeah, is getting to me. It's making me feel some kind of way, honestly. Like I really try. I only had a little sip, but I can't. It's babe, the lady. Wind on your window. The order. So yes, sorry guys, I said the order. So this KFC. This KFC is different. They don't have. Imagine original chicken.
People are doing something right now.
They don't have the original chicken. They only have barbecue and hot and spicy. No original, but original is like the main thing, right?
Only have one drink, people.
Grape, and he doesn't like grape. But anyway, yeah. So we had to stop at KFC because my head is pounding from the rum tasting, and yeah, we have to do something about it. So we have to stop at the first place. So here we are. But yeah.
Everything go. You know what thing go. That road and all, everything, you know.
Yeah, guys, don't do as I do, yeah? Know your limits. Even though I only had a sip, but I don't know. Anyway, people, we out. You
can't see it, people. See that?
Out.
Yeah. Rum fire.
Rum fire. Get yourself a bottle. I won't be drinking any when we get home though. That's his. That's all his.
Fire.
Later people, later. We get some food.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.